Alright, as you can see with the wasted brake fluid, we're out. Just one step closer to replacing those lines. So let me go to the other side and see what we're working with. This is my first time looking at this side too, so we're in it together. Down in there. See if I can get my ridge down there. Here we go. Oh, this one's a different size. Of course it is. Or is it? I swear this one was a different size. Sorry for the camera angles, I'm kind of not too focused on that. That's way too much. That's way too much play to be 7/16, but I can't get the 3/8 on. Not that I'm gonna break it loose with the 3/8, but let's see if I can even, or a normal wrench, but let me see if I can even get a 3/8 wrench on it. Let's see. Yep, 3/8. Let's see. Nope. What the fuck? 7/16 is too big, and 3/8 won't fit. I don't know if I'm being stupid or, because this one over here was 7. Let's see. Yeah, that's 7/16. That's way too much play. Let me figure this out. I'll see you guys shortly.